Okay, this will be file structure part one. I've shared this document with you, so if you would like to read this, you may. But if those of you that need more help, and some people it helps to hear it, I'll go ahead and go through this and then also show how this affects Inventor files. Depending upon where everybody's at, we may repeat ourselves and go over some of this at core training because your core training file structure is critical. If you do not maintain your file structure, you could have a serious nervous breakdown or panic attack during core training. So anyways, it is very important that you maintain your structure for your 2018 Purdue core training files and your My Inventor files. If you don't do that, you're going to lose stuff, misplace things, you're going to have trouble finding things, and your students in the classroom will do the same thing. That file structure is very, very critical for Inventor files. And it's kind of like if you ever had a video or movie or MP3 in iTunes, and you decided to move that file. If somebody moved that file or deleted the file, but the icon is still in your library for iTunes, then all of a sudden you get a message that says, can't find this, so I can't play the file anymore. Well, that's how Inventor works with managing its files. So that would be a big problem. Okay, so first of all, you need to decide where you're going to save your files for core training. It's going to be easiest to navigate if all your files are in one location. So we're going to have you create a folder called 2018 Purdue Core Training. And that folder could go in one, in a number of places. So there's kind of 4 scenarios. At school, you're going to do this on a network drive, and that's where I have my students save their files. But since we're not going to be on a network, that's where you want to go. Now, for core training, you have 4 scenarios where you're going to be able to save those files. You can save them in My Documents, on your user desktop, on an external drive, or in a Google Drive. However, the online browser version of Google Drive alone is not an acceptable way to save Inventor files. You must also run Google Backup and Sync or Google File Stream. So, if you know what you are doing as far as file structure, then I'm going to stop this video so that you can skip ahead to file naming conventions and skip the next video.